Do you want to change your admin email for WordPress website from phpmyadmin? Then watch this video till the end. So to change the admin email from PHP panel, you first need to log into your web hosting accounts. I have web hosting in Hostinger. All web hosting, all paid web hosting have this PHP admin section. Go to the C panel and you can search PHP admin. You can see PHP myadmin option. Just click on this. Herein you will get a database. Go to your database. First of all, you can change your ID from an option. You can see WP options. You can open this, and if you want to change the user ID, then you can also open the user ID. Simply you just need to change your email ID from here. This is my email ID. You just need to click on edit. There's no confirmation required. Just need to change an email ID. You can do appropriate changes. You can change the email ID, and you can simply type in and click on go, and it will get changed. And for users, you can simply do this. You can click on edit, and you can simply change it. You can click on edit in front of this user. You can simply change the ID from here. It is very easy, and simply click on go, and it will get reset. I hope now you will be able to do changes in your admin email ID using my PHP and admin. Okay, so I hope it is a useful video, friends. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.